Okay, so this one, I know their video, there's only law of sines, but had to cut it because I wasn't able to upload it. So in this one, we're actually going to do 23-3, and this is a law of cosines. Okay, so similar to the law of sines, it works for any triangle, but more specifically, when you're given side angle side, and or side side side. Okay, so here is the law of cosines. So we have A, B, B, C, and C. So depending on what you're finding, I'm just gonna write three different ones, but in reality it's the same thing. All you have to do is change things around. So you do A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of A. Notice that you have the side A that has to match with the angle that is across from it. Okay? Now you have B squared, so that means you have A squared plus C squared minus 2 times A times C. And again, whatever you get here goes again over here. So in this one is cosine, so that's B. So it's going to be cosine of angle B. Now, same thing for C. You get C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2A times B times the cosine of C. Okay? So let's work out one problem really quick. And so here we go, example number 1. So let's say this is A, let's call that C, that B, this one is 38 degrees, that one is A, that one is 10, and that one is 14. First, well, we notice that we're given side angle side, side angle side. So that means we're going to use the law of cosines. Now we're asked to find A, right? So we're going to use the first one. So it's going to be A squared is equal to your B squared. Your B squared is this one, 10, and then plus your C squared, which is 14, minus 2 times this number, 10, times this number, 14. Okay, 2 times your B times your C. And then times the cosine. Well, we know we're finding A, so we have to use the angle A, so cosine of 38. Now, in this problem, GEMDAS, it's very important, okay? So first you have to do multiplication, and then you do addition and subtraction, okay? So A squared, so 10 squared is 100, plus 14 squared, that's 196. So let me just double check. Yep, and 196 minus 2 times 10, that's 20, and then 20 times 14, that gives you 280. Okay, times the cosine of 38. So what is the cosine of 38? That gives you 0.7880. Okay, so now we can actually add these two right here since it's not affecting my product of those. So that is 296. Then minus, I need to multiply that. So it's 280 times 0.7880. That gives you 220.64. Now we can actually subtract that. And then so do 296 minus 220.64, and you get 75.36. So you take the square root of that, and then you get A. So let's see, second square root of 75.36, and that gives you 8.68, so we can say 8.7. Okay, that's pretty much what you have to do for the law of cosines. All you have to do is plug in the values into this form. Okay, all right, if you need help, please come see me and do the stuff that I'm going to post on the Google Classroom if you are absent.